Hey everyone, here's my workout training summary for the month of January, and I'd like to make a case for using the big three lifts when it comes to fitness, and for that matter, lifting weights in general for fitness. People will have different goals in this regard, whether it be, getting healthier, making body transformation, getting stronger, getting fit. The thing about lifting weights, it takes work. You get in as much as you put into it. You get out of it as much as you put in. And it's not going to be some easy, quick fix. It takes effort over time and consistency. And there are a lot of things that can appeal to people that want to get started with fitness, getting healthier. There's so many different gimmicks and fads and trends and things that allow people to get a foot in the door. That's probably the important part, is getting a foot in the door first, and then so you can get started and finding something that you like that will allow you to be consistent with it, because something is usually better than nothing. But the case for lifting weights, there's three things that you can get out of it in terms of making progress. First is getting better at the movements, improving technique. As you do it more and more, you start to do the same movement the same way over time, and as you make that movement better, more proper form, more correct in how it's the technique aspect of it, how it looks as you see the movement over and over, and you're doing it better each time and making it more correct each time. It gives you something to work for, some goal to achieve. And people might start with the immediate goal of body transformation, but I think that would be a secondary thing when you start with lifting weights. You improve technique first, and then the second thing is lift more weight over time. Once you keep adding small amounts or progressively increasing amounts of weight, you can see progress being achieved and continue to stay motivated as, one, the technique improves, and two, the amount of weight lifted continues to increase over time. That way you don't get bored, or it doesn't become stale, and it's hard to continue to do something if you feel like there's no progress being made and nothing is being accomplished, and it's easy to quickly lose motivation. So if you try for the body transformation at the onset and you don't see the progress, and it can be discouraging. And even looking at the scale too and seeing if the weight is coming off, the pounds are decreasing, it can be discouraging if there's no results. But if you stick to weightlifting, and in particular the big three lifts, squat, bench press, and deadlift, and even some variation of that, maybe using the Smith machine for beginners, or to get the technique down before free weights itself, you can continue to see progress. And as long as there's steady progress, it can keep you motivated, keep you working towards greater goals, and then the byproduct will probably be getting healthier and achieving some sort of body transformation. So that's why I advocate lifting weights, and in particular squat, bench press, and deadlift.